Episode 3. What is a neural network? Forget the scary name. It is not a tiny brain trapped inside your laptop. Think of it like a clue machine. You give it an input, like a sentence, a photo, or a sound. The first layer spots simple clues. In a photo, that might be edges and colors. In text, it might be word patterns. The next layer combines those clues into bigger signals. Then another layer combines those signals again. By the end, the network makes a prediction. This looks like a cat. This sentence sounds positive. This next word is likely. The important bit is weights. A weight is a tiny setting that says how much a clue should matter. Training is the process of changing those weights after the model gets things wrong. So when people say AI learns, they do not mean it understands life like a human. They mean it keeps adjusting its settings until the predictions get better. Beginner rule. A neural network turns raw clues into useful predictions. It can be powerful, but it can still be confidently wrong, so check important answers. Next episode, we explain transformers, the idea that made modern chatbots much better with language.